So here's how to hide your caller ID or phone number on your Pixel 8 or Pixel 8 Pro. So tap on the phone icon and then tap on the three dots in the top right corner on this address bar and select settings. On the settings page, go to calling accounts, tap on that, and then choose the SIM card with which when you call, you want your caller ID or phone number to be hidden. So let me pick Airtel, for instance. Okay, this first SIM card, I'll select it and then I'll tap on additional settings. Now it's gonna quickly check the current settings. And then you should see caller ID. It's currently set to use default operator settings, which means it's gonna use the settings of my carrier, the default. So to hide it, tap on this and then select hide number. And it's going to update. And you can see number hidden in outgoing calls at the top there. And that basically means from now on, whenever I make a phone call using that particular SIM card, my caller ID or phone number is going to be concealed or hidden. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.